addicts, welcome to my channel. I'm Addie and this is my best friend Hannah.
Hi!
Today we're going to be doing her makeup. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like the video. So I guess let's get started. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing on her. The only thing she brought was a few of her makeup items. I got all my makeup here. I mean, she brought her foundation, which is really good because I'm sure my foundation won't look right on her with the color. So, is it a twist top?
Yeah.
Oops. Wait, where did I put my? Oh, here it is. Fresh sponge.
Always.
I am going to go ahead and drip your foundation on this sponge.
That is a lot. You don't need that much. I can say
Sorry.
that right now.
It just like poured out.
Yeah, I know.
Oops. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna put
my hair back.
some of this on my hand because I put like way too much on here. Okay. Just gonna dab. I always use that term, and every time I use that term, I use a Squidward.
It's not a.
Down the neck.
I feel like a dog.
What? There's a dog. Don't mind us, we're weird. At least.
I literally feel like you're grooming me right now.
I am. Oh, wait, like a dog. Oh my gosh. Now, for my all-time favorite, which I love so dearly, I use it in like almost all my videos, is this concealer is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade Fair, and I love it so much. Yes, girl. Set this and dab it on. Because we're the dabbers. We dab all the time.
Oh yeah, if y'all are new to this channel, go watch her put makeup on her brother because it is hilarious.
Yes, that is not my most recent video, but the video before that. I did do makeup on my brother. He's 13 years old and
goes to school with my sister, which is funny.
Yes, Layla, her sister. Oh my gosh. So yeah, go watch that because that is the best. I've never done.
It's really good.
Never done his makeup before because, you know, but.
What $5 can do for you.
Yeah. Any kid he'll do anything for money. She is a little bit fair, so we're going to be using, oh my god, I can see you in my mirror. Hi. This one right here, which is Princess Cut.
Put a princess on me.
Using Hannah's favorite lipstick, and it's the Kylie Cosmetics in Candy K. We're
actually one of my favorite.
Yeah, she wears
the only lipstick that I wear. Time. It's the only shade that I think looks good on me.
It actually looks great. So we are actually going to put this on her eyes.
What?
Yes.
I've never thought of that, but okay.
You know, I actually have lipstick on my eyes right now.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like it. That is crazy.
Yeah. So. We're going to be using the Buon Fresco. It is this one right here.
It's pretty.
And we're going to put that on top of her lid. Or in the crease, I should say. But I'm going to be using Venetia Red. This guy right here. It's not even a red, but, you know, I guess that's why it's Venetian. Close or open your eyes. Oh. I love this eyeliner. It's the Revlon Color Stay Skinny eyeliner. My favorite.
I can never use those. They're so, like, for me, like, personally, like, I always have to have, like, the stick ones. Because, like, the liquid liner, it has
takes
more...
forever to dry.
It does take forever to dry, one. And two, like, it's very, like, difficult to, like, do both eyes and match them up perfectly with it. Because half the time I do it and then I'm having to wipe off, like, one eye and redo the entire side because of me messing up, like...
Yeah. No,
I don't like it personally. I don't. I like the stick ones better, but that's just me personally. So.
Yeah. It's personal preference. I don't usually do wings that often because of that reason. I just, you know, do the top and then stick my lashes on that way. But, you know, practice makes perfect.
I'm a wing girl. I love having my wings.
Your wings. While her lashes are drying, I'm going to use her Candy K lipstick.
So excited!
Final look. Doesn't she look gorgeous? Sisters.